Hi everyone, welcome to MyGlamm. I'm Siddhi and today I'll show you how to create this Ultra Glam bronze skin makeup look with red lips. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. So I'll start by concealing my under eyes and all the pigmentation on my face, and for that I'm using this MyGlamm Super Serum Concealer. So I'll start with my under eyes, a little bit around the corner of my mouth, eyelids. Now I'm taking this damp beauty blender to blend all the concealer. There you go. So for the next step, I'm going to use a foundation on my entire face and neck. I'm going to apply it all over the face, and for that I'm using a flat brush. You should just gently dab it using a damp beauty blender. So now I'm going to set it up using a compact powder. I usually set my entire face with a powder, but for those of you who don't like to use a powder on your entire face, you must use it under your eyes and the smile lines because these areas crease most easily. Now that I've set my base, I'm going to bronze my face. And because I'm doing a glam look, I'll bronze my entire face, like the forehead, cheekbones, jawline, and my nose as well. Now I'm going to add some highlighter. How suddenly I'm glowing like a golden goddess. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm straight away going to go to the eyes. And for that, I'm using this palette by Popexo. It's called Nude Crew. I'm starting with this nude shade. I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to take the darker shade of brown and apply it on the crease of my eyes. I'm going to apply the same shade on my lower lash line as well. And now to finish the look, I'm going to use this golden eyeshadow on the other half of my eyelid towards the inner corners. Now the next step is to apply a mascara. Looks like I'm wearing false lashes, but I'm not. Now I'm coming to my lips, and before applying the lipstick, I would like to outline my lips using a red lip liner. So I start with my Cupid bow and I make this V. Now that I've outlined my lips, I'll fill my lips using the same pencil. Looks nice, but we're not done yet. Now comes my favorite step, that is applying the lipstick. And we are done. Do try this glam look and let me know how you like it. Also let us know what other looks would you want us to create in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm for more such fun makeup content.